I chose Chisholm and Latrobe because they offered a great program where I started my VCAL nursing and my Year 12 nursing at the same time, and I went through now to my Bachelor's of Nursing. I don't think I would have done nursing if this pathway wasn't available.
The pathway that I followed for my degree was the Chisholm Diploma of Nursing, which entered me into my second year for my Bachelor as an enrolled nurse. The makeup of our class was a range of ages, from students straight out of school to mature age students and working mums like myself. Location was a factor for my choice of Chisholm because I needed something to be close to home to help ease the load.
So there's multiple pathway options to gain entry into the Bachelor of Nursing. One can be through VCAL, which commences from Year 10 at school. Alternatively, they can be a direct entry into the Diploma of Nursing and then progress through once registered. Alternatively, people do apply to join us from the community. We have new state-of-the-art campuses which are fully equipped to match the requirements of a hospital setting, so our students do get to experience real-life scenarios.
The things I have enjoyed most about the Bachelor of Nursing is the classroom and lab environments that I have been provided with, the challenges that the degree has given myself, and seeing myself succeed at becoming a registered nurse.
I've had approximately 6 clinical placements, which they really help you knowledge because they really cement it, because I'm more of a hands-on learner. That really helps me seeing the medications and seeing the procedures being done. It just works for me. I think Chisholm's program is different to the universities because it's smaller and I feel more of as an individual and not a number. I know the teachers well, the facilities well, I know where I can find the help that I need when I need it.